it's raining unicorn blood.
I wonder.
Whoa. Wait, it's raining unicorn blood. I've never seen this happen. This is so freaking cool. Wow. And wow. I just can't believe this. I just started recording.
What's happening over there?
I think they were getting attacked. I don't know. It's furniture, so I'm like, that's crazy though. That's crazy. Like, I did not expect this to happen.
Nothing happens to you.
Okay, I'm just, yeah, if you get 100, it's just really cool. I've never experienced this. I was gonna record until it's over. So, I'm just gonna end it. Bye.